Hey guys, today we're going to have pumpkin cinnamon roll monkey bread. All of that together sounds so good. First off, we need a Bundt pan, and I'm going to spray it.
If I knew you were coming out, I baked a Bundt.
Not everybody will know that.
Nah. You gotta be in my generation to know that.
Alright, we got that sprayed. You can put butter in it, flour it, whatever you want to do, because it's your recipe. So, I am going to put in a big baggie here. I've got 2/3 cup of just white granulated sugar. And then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now, if you don't like that, you can put whatever. Mix your own cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice, all that good stuff. So there's 1, and I'm just going to put about 1/2 of one. Maybe. Okay. Got that in there. Mix that all up. Shake a, shake a, shake a. Guys, it seems forever since we've been doing videos. We haven't been doing them regular like we were. We've just been so busy.
You're supposed to have lots of time when you retire, don't you?
Supposed to, but, you know, we create our own chaos. So, you know,
we stay busy on purpose.
Yeah, we take on our own tasks. Doing woodworking, doing a craft show, selling the goodies. We've just been so busy.
Breaking mowers and fixing them. And
yeah, that's him. So I've got just original cinnamon rolls. I got Pillsbury. Pillsbury was on sale. That's what I used or got. So, you know, you don't have to use Pillsbury. Use Walmart. Use Kroger.
Use whatever's cheapest.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. See if this won't scare me.
Boom.
Ah, got it. All right. The icing.
Which you won't need, right?
Yeah, you will.
Oh, yeah?
Unless you make your own. All right. So we're going to cut these into quarters. Get that lid off of there.
Yeah, you don't need a lid on there.
If I can do them all together. Look at that. I didn't think I would be able to do that. I figured it'd be smash them down too much, but we're going to quarter all of these. And throw them in the bag. Separate them as you put them in there. Because, you know, you don't want...
You want all that goodness on all of it.
You want it on all of them. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on this pot here a little bit. We're going to mix together 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Let that be getting warmed up a little bit. It won't unless I turn on the thing. All right, butter and sugar in there, and 2/3 cup of pumpkin, just puree pumpkin. I made a pumpkin roll the other day, and this is what I've got left. So we're using the rest of that. So we'll let that get all mixed up and melty while I'm doing some more of these.
And what else you been doing? Making stuff on Wednesdays and selling it on Thursdays.
Yes, I am.
She's got 2 or 3 places she goes to, and she takes that tray that I made her full and sells out.
I have well, I've only done it 3 times.
And she sold out.
All of them, yeah. Ooh, that's really a smoking now. This pan, guys, it don't take long for it to get hot. It's bubbling that. Woo,
I hear it.
already. Unless I just got this off of Amazon. I think it would be good to make fudge in, but I'm afraid to try because I don't know if it's deep enough. And that fudge boils, you know.
Oh, I bet it is. Pretty deep.
I usually use a 2-quart pan, and that's what this is. But
I may try making some soup beans in that.
not very big. Well, it'd be enough for you.
Be enough for me. A couple bowls is all I need. And a pound of cornbread.
There you go. Guys, how you been doing? Getting ready for fall and Halloween and all that good stuff?
Yeah, Connie's been making snowmen and pumpkins and trays, and she went and sold her stuff yesterday and sold 2 more trays, and we wasn't even trying to sell them.
So we've got, what, 8 now?
8.
Yeah. People are liking them.
They are pretty.
And it was just something he came up with for me. And it's like he came in the house one day with that tray. I'm like, oh, I love that. This isn't coming off right. Of course. Stir to keep that stirred up. Because I'm going to pour some of this on the bottom before I put my things in there. That's the reason I'm doing that. Oh, of course, we got one being feisty. There we go.
Or just smack it on the table is what I always do.
Yeah, but I follow directions.
Oh, yeah, I don't.
Anybody getting ready for Christmas too? My goodness, I'm thinking ahead of that.
Oh, yeah, she wants me to make a Christmas tree so we can drill holes in it and put lights in it.
I'm always wanting something.
Always. Wanted a fire pit. Had to go get her a fire pit.
We got one that we made out of bricks.
Yeah, now she wants to clean that out and put a metal one in there.
Yeah, but Royal King had them on sale. Of course, we didn't get them when it was on sale.
No. It was $200.
Yeah, this one has the swing arm on it, where you can put hot dogs or steaks or hamburgers or whatever.
And we'll use that a lot.
Oh, that was on low.
Wow. And it was cooking that high.
Yeah. Just.
My goodness, that thing does get hot.
It does. Just letting that butter melt in there. Guys, we appreciate y'all being here, and we're getting new subscribers, and we appreciate you guys. We just everybody, because we just started this just for us, but we love doing it, so we can't stop. We can't stop. I'm going to turn that off. That'll be melted enough. These smell good. You know, pumpkin and spice in there and that cinnamon. All right. There we go. There, it's melted. So I'm going to pour some of it in the bottom here. Go around there.
That looks like ooey gooey goodness.
That, and then I have some pecans here.
Yeah, now we're talking.
And I'm going to sprinkle some in there. You know, if you don't want to use the pecans, you don't have to.
But why wouldn't you?
Put you some little caramels in there, them little caramel bits or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But this is what I'm using. I got my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to the doctor on Monday, so I had to do blood work today. So that's never my favorite. Woo! Did you hear that one?
That one popped good.
That one boom.
You went boom boom.
So I'm not an easy stick, as they say, because I don't drink enough water. I drink Diet Mountain Dew. So I had one of them tell me that if I drink a bunch of water before I go, that I will be hydrated, plump my veins up. And ever since then I've been doing that. Oh guys, if you're a hard stick, drink you a couple bottles of water before you go.
And even if you're not a hard stick, like me.
Yeah.
Mine's easy.
Yeah, he's got big veins, not me. She put the tourniquet around my right arm and she's like, oh, there's one right there. And she tried my left. She's like, oh yeah, there we go. Whew. One stick and she got it. I've been before where they've just been like fishing, trying to find a vein. But put these in there. Get these all shook up. And I'm just going to plop some of these right down in here now. No rhyme or reason, just plop. And this is going to cook about 45 minutes or so. And I'm sure it is going to smell so good while it's cooking. Oops. Got a jumper. Alright, so let's put some more of this sauce down in there. Or the rest of it. Look, that pan is non-stick, guys. It just slides right out. And the rest of the nuts. So I had about 3/4 of a cup of nuts right there. And then the rest of our cinnamon rolls. Yeah. Easy for you to do.
Yeah, it's real easy for me.
Look at that. Then we'll pour some of this extra sugar and cinnamon on here. Or brown sugar in. Sugar and pumpkin pie spice. Don't want it all. Alright guys, we're going in 350 degree oven, 45 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright guys, it's in my oven for 50 minutes. And here's what we got. Yummers. So now I'm just going to cut a piece off, and it's still hot. So I don't want to put icing all over the whole thing just yet. So I'm just going to cut a little piece and put some icing on this single piece. Look at that. It's burning my fingers. That's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Get that off of there. Okay. So now, this is just the icing that came with it. I'll put a little bit on here. I mean, you can do it without the icing because it already has that sugar and pumpkin spice and everything like that in it. So
Icing just kicks it up a notch. For me, anyway.
yeah, for him, he loves icing.
I love lots of icing.
All right, here we go. So good.
I mean, how could it be bad? You know.
You get that little crisp of the nuts in there and that sugar that was on top. Oh my goodness. I wasn't going to eat this, but it's so good.
I can't eat it. I'm doing good.
I was too. Now, I don't know.
Hopefully I don't get tempted by that.
Oh,
it smells really good.
It tastes delicious, guys. So easy to make. And like I said, just few ingredients, and you don't even need the pecans if you don't have nuts. Make it without it. It's still going to be good. So I have to deliver some of the trays that we made, and I already took them out of my car, so I can't show you the finished product. And I'm going to take them some of this because they are good buyers from us. I mean, when I take food down, they buy all the time, so I'm going to give them some of this. So I'll give them a freebie today because we love them.
Yep,
They're really good people down there.
Yes, we do.
All right, guys, I think that's it for this video. Can't think of anything else except I'll show you these Billy just brought in. He brought in 4 egg holders. And they're all different. So
every one of them.
So now, because he does them all by hand now, just look, this one's got a piece of walnut through the center of it. He's like, you're going to want to keep that one. When I get it all shined up and stuff. All right. So I got work to do. I got we got 4 more trays to actually finish.
I got 2 to make.
Yeah, he got 2 to make. He did his part on the making, and I got those 2 to finish.
Because she does such a good job finishing.
Yeah, and we did this. This says Harley Davidson on it. This one is sold. Just a little box. It's cute.
They call them band boxes. I don't know why, but
That's not a band.
No.
I don't know.
I didn't make it with a band.
All right, guys. This is it.
Oh, you can show them that one too.
Oh, this one I haven't done anything to it yet either. So here's a little one that he made. He doesn't have his stamp of approval on the bottom. But... So there's that one. All right, guys. This is going to be it for sure. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching The Monkey Show with the Monkey Bread. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.